Conception is a fundamental process in human reproduction, involving the joining of sperm and egg to create a new life. This complex event can be illustrated through various stages and elements, each with its own unique significance. The story begins with millions of sperm cells making their way through the female reproductive tract. It's a long and arduous journey, meant to reach the egg waiting in the fallopian tubes. Visuals can depict this journey, showcasing sperm navigating through cervix and uterus, competing against each other for the ultimate goal. Every month, an egg is released from the ovaries, a process known as ovulation. Photos can illustrate this phase by highlighting the egg emerging from the follicle, ready to be fertilized. This moment represents the beginning of the possibility for conception, the egg's grand entrance into the world. An enchanting moment occurs when sperm meets the egg. This crucial point, the moment of fertilization, can be visually represented by the fusion of these two microscopic entities. Capturing the drama of the sperm penetrating the egg's outer layer signifies the start of a new genetic combination. After fertilization, the zygote begins to divide and grow. Imagery can show the first cell divisions, transforming the single cell into a cluster, marching toward becoming an embryo. The process epitomizes the incredible growth potential inherent in life that stems from this union. The journey concludes with the implantation of the growing embryo into the uterine wall. Photos can capture the embryo attaching itself, signaling the onset of pregnancy and the promise of a new life about to unfold.